Hi, I'm Nick Manoilevich from Weekend at the Cottage with an important announcement, or actually a couple of questions. Does the thought of hosting a summer get-together or party leave you feeling cold? When you present a beautiful entree, does it get a chilly reception from your friends and family? Well, not anymore, especially if you enter the Weekend at the Cottage Summer Grilling Giveaway. Who knows, you could win an incredible Pit Boss 820. I gotta tell you, this frickin' thing is awesome. It's a grill, it's a barbecue, it's a smoker. Heck, you can even make pizza on this thing. Well, you won't be able to make pizza unless you enter our contest. Head to weekendатthecottage.com, really easy to enter, and then after that, just keep your fingers crossed. You never know, you could be our winner. From all of us to everyone out there, let's get our grill on and enter the Weekend at the Cottage Summer Grilling Giveaway. Good luck, everybody.